Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to do another wash and go, but guess what I got my hands on, y'all? Okay, I've been hearing everybody's been paying like $18 for like a little, I don't know, small jar. My local beauty supply store that is new to my neighborhood, JC Beauty, let me give you a shout out because they had, this is a, let's see how big this jar is. I spent $11 for 32 fluid ounces. So I have not opened it yet, so I figured I would do that with you here on the channel. See, the seal is still in place. So let's open it up now. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. Now, and it has this lid like so, just like the black castor oil Eco Styler. Now the claims on this says it has shine, has hold, moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promotes hair growth, no flake, no tack, anti-itch. It's totally alcohol free for all hair types, maximum hold of 10. And this is the Eco Styler Gold series, the olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. Okay, it smells really good. I mean, it smells really good. I can't tell you what it smells like, but it's very pleasant. Texture-wise, I think it might feel just a little bit lighter to me than the black castor oil, just going by memory. And so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a 2-for-1. So I'm going to try this, and I also have the leave-in, the black castor and flaxseed oil, leave-in moisture, leave-in conditioner by Eco. I got this a couple weeks ago. I never talked about, so let's try it together. So my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned. So I'm just going to start here on the back. Okay. Start in the back. Okay, so this is my hair with zero product. Zero product. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just do that every time. I'm just going to spread a little bit more water to the area. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to use the leave-in. There's a lock on here. Okay. Now the leave-in is a very lightweight leave-in. Very lightweight. Smell-wise, it's okay. I don't know if I like this pump on this, because when your hands are slippery, it is hard to hold on to it. So I'm just gonna spray all this in the area. One side at a time here. Okay. As you guys know, I have been finger detangling my hair. So I'm just going to start a little bit at a time here. We're going to go slow. little bit. I'm going to start with this amount, put it right at the root of my hair, and bring it down the strands. I almost don't feel like there's anything on my hair. So, feels like I'm having to use a lot of the product. To get any definition here. You see that? So I'm just gonna really shingle it through a little bit. Now I will say that it does feel extremely moisturizing to the hair, so people are correct when they say that. There's a nice slip to it, but at the same time, it doesn't feel just, I don't know. I mean, it's very light, and it feels, I don't know. Alright, I'm just going to keep going. We're just going to see what happens here, okay? Do one more section on camera. I'm at the front of my hair. I have been taking my time bringing the product through. So what I'm going to do, once again, a little bit more water, especially on my ends. I will say concerning the leave-in, it seems thick in the jar, but spraying it out. See, I have to hold it with two hands because it's slippery. But it is really, it feels nice going on the hair. So I will say that. Everybody, I am back. I had to sit up under a bonnet dryer. So, this is my hair. I let it air dry for a few hours, probably about maybe 3 hours, and then I set up under a bonnet dryer for about 35 minutes. These are my results. Turn around so you can see. Okay. Let's think about the claims. What did they say? Shines. There's a nice shine to my hair. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there is a nice shine to my hair. Holds. Now it says a 10 hold. Not on my hair. Not on my hair. at all. I would say it's a medium hold. Moisturizes. My hair is very moisturized. As I mentioned earlier, you can feel there's a ton of oil in this gel. So yeah, it's very, very moisturized. Repairs, I don't know yet. Promotes growth, I don't know yet. No flake. There is no flakes nowhere in my hair whatsoever. No tack. It does not feel tacky or anything at all. And anti-itch. As of right now, I mean, my scalp is not itching. Overall, what do I think? I do like the gel. I do like the way it looks, even with my hair being up under the hooded dryer. I just have somewhere to go, so I needed to hurry up and get my hair dry. There is some frizz on this area here, but I kind of felt that it would be because I mentioned earlier that this area here does not curl like some of the rest of my hair does. I like the movement to it. I like the way it looks. I like the way it's... I've been struggling during the winter with my hair being dry. So, as of right now, I mean, there is no need to break any gel cast whatsoever. There is zero crunch to my hair. Zero gel cast, I mean zero. And I said I was heavy-handed with the product, so that's really, really startling. That, I mean, there is no... I didn't break no cast. And you see how much movement is in my hair? Crazy, right? So, will I get it again? Maybe, maybe not. Now mind you, I got 32 fluid ounces for $11. Most people were spending $18 for 16 fluid ounces. Was it worth $11? Most definitely. Will I use it all? Most definitely. Will I need to buy it again? You know, like I said, it just depends on the day, what type of look I'm going for. If I want something that's going to have a really nice hold to it for the day, a nice fluffy hold, and moisturize them, sure. But there's some other products that I can get this very same look. So, but yeah, EcoStyler Gold, I mean, it's a go. But Max Hold 10, no. I don't know for whose hair, not for my hair. Max Shine, Max Shine of 10, I would say the Shine, I would give it an 8, okay, because it is shiny. So those are my results. So let me know in the comment section what your results are, if you have, you know, managed to get your hands on this EcoStyler Gold. Start checking your local beauty supply stores. So yeah, I mean, I do like it. So you all, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you for spending your time with me. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the video. There will be some, I did on my last video, there's going to be some comparison videos coming up, so I make note of that. So those are coming soon, probably within the next week. So stay tuned for that. So you all stay blessed, and I will see you on the next one.